Hello and welcome, my name's Jordan. This is my new YouTube account. I've only just made this one. I am 12, turning 13. And, I'm more of a COD player than a Battlefield player. But I've still got some Battlefields, and I've got Black Ops 1 and Black Ops 2. Haven't got World at War though. Got Call of Duty Ghost. I'm more into Black Ops 2 than anything, but yeah, people have different opinions. I'm going to be posting some videos of me playing Black Ops 2 with League with my friends and my gold rank platinum. Trying to get master, but it's going to take a little while, so yeah. Catch you later.